Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn about something. Do you know that everything we do is science in our everyday life? The things that happen, but we don't know the reason behind it or what's the explanation. So today we're going to learn about Bernoulli's principle. Do you have any idea? As you see in the screen, so you've learned about what Bernoulli's principle is. And today, we're going to show you an example of Bernoulli's principle. After you've seen the video, what have you observed? You observed that the ping pong ball is attracted to the water. Why do you think the ping pong ball is attracted to the water? Because as the velocity of a fluid increases, the pressure exerted by the fluid decreases. Pressure and velocity in a moving fluid are inversely proportional. If the pressure is high, the velocity is low. And if the velocity is high, the pressure is low. Lower pressure is caused by the increased speed of the air over the ball. Since the pressure is higher beneath the ball goes upward. And that's all for Bernoulli's principle. Hope you learned something.